Find the orange lever and pull it up. That's for your hood. See it? Down there, good. Oh, it's red. Now, so you see where the symbol is? There's a lever underneath there. Flip it up. Okay, good. Lift it up. Cool. That's how you open up the hood. So this is gonna be Charah's first ever oil change. Alright, now let's start from this point onward. And make sure you have gloves on because it get pretty sloppy. So, hold on. That's your the cap. That's where you refill the oil, right, Charah? So go ahead and pour this out. Pour it towards you. Okay, let's slide up pretty quick. Interesting. Put it on there. That's your dipstick to check the oil. That's okay. And go ahead and open up the cap first. Let's put it on there. This here should be the filter stuff. See if you can open that.
Sure.
See if you twist that. Hold on. Okay, so we're underneath the car. We're gonna get the guard out. That's blocking the access to the drain. Look, Charah, there's one more screw there. Looks like this on your upper right.
This one? No.
Over there. See it? It's holding it in place.
This one?
No, bro. It's over there somewhere. That way, genius. Look for the screw. It's holding down this piece. Feel it. Feel it. See it?
Oh,
Is it there?
Yeah.
Take it out.
Break.
And then squeeze this lever. Make sure the screw is in, bro. Hold it tight.
Squeeze it?
Push it up, yes. Turn it. You have to manually turn it. Go ahead. To the left. Towards me. Push it towards me. Actually, no. That's pull it towards you. My bad. No. Actually, no. This way. Come towards me. I'm
Now
stupid.
block.
Yeah. Go back that way. Put it right there and then pull it towards me.
Like that?
Yeah.
Now hit it?
Okay, pull it towards me, bro. You gotta loosen it first.
Oh.
Keep coming. Yeah, there you go. Now use the squeeze. Now use the trigger. The thing's not that showing up. Press it. There you go. Keep going. Good job. Oh, there we go. Now put the thing down. Grab this. Make sure there's no touching. Watch your eyes, okay? Watch your eyes. Pull it away. Close your eyes. Good. Now. Okay, now we're underneath, guys. We are underneath. I see the lug. I see it. Bro, we need the size. Get that 12. You have the 12 millimeter?
No.
Where is it?
No.
The freak you do with it, bro?
I don't know.
Go get it. These kids nowadays, boy. All they know how to do is press buttons. Boy. Right. Let me pause for a second while she gets me the 12 millimeter. Righty, so we put the what you call it? The guard over there with the screws it's got. So now we're gonna take this is 13 millimeter.
Yeah.
Okay, hold on, child. Put it on. Right, I loosen it for you. Ready? So now, loosen it again. You might be able to loosen it by hand. See, can you loosen it by hand now? Just be careful. Can you loosen it? Okay.
Yeah.
Keep going slowly. Just watch out. This oil is gonna shoot right out here, bro. Keep coming. Right, this is Charah and I's first time changing the oil on the ML350. I mean, the cool thing about it is the oil filter
Can I take the
is
ring
on
off
top.
too?
Yeah.
This?
There's a ring?
Yes.
Let me see. Yeah. Make sure you don't lose that part. So when the screw comes out, be careful, the oil is going to gush right out. So make sure you don't lose that nut, bro. Hold on to that nut. Oh, hold on before you do something. Is there a rag? Did I bring a rag down here? Go get a rag. Let me hold on. Let me go get a rag for you. Hold on. Alrighty, guys. Sorry about that, people. Like I said, what kind of? So we got to get the rag. So we got a rag. So you got a rag, right, child? Good. Unscrew the thing.
What's the rag for?
The rag, you're gonna need it to clean your hand and all that junk, bro. Come on. Take it out. Are we in line here? Yeah, we are. Go ahead. Slowly. I mean, that should be the oil pan, right? Damn, how big is this freaking screw, bro? Oh. Yeah, get the rag, bro. Put it in the rag. Oh shit. It's just sort of missed a little bit there. Oh, don't put the rag in there. Put the rag away on the side, bro. Put it up there on the top, away from the oil. Okay, that's good. I always mess up in this part anyway. Pull hard, turn. Loosen. Is it loosen? Okay. Now use your hand. Okay, good. That's the filters in there. Where's your rag? Get your rag ready. Get that rag. Put it down. Hold up slowly, in case there's oil there. Ooh, it's still oil, right? It's still tuning, right? See, yeah. So the air pressure, just leave it, let it settle. Put it back down slowly, but don't turn it. Leave it there. Let it drain completely. So this way we can get it everywhere. These are the tools that we use. This here is a 10 millimeter. That's also a 10 millimeter. Oh, this one is a 13 millimeter for the oil. Give me that oil cap, Charah, down there that you took out. Yeah. That's for the filter. That goes on top of the filter. Yeah. That's the lug or the plug for the oil cap. So we got to make sure we put this on after it all drains out. This is one of the first thing you put on. We'll be back. So that's what that noise is. They're doing construction over there. Back. Oh, that thing's draining. What? Farming some bear corn. While we wait for the thing to dry up. Nice forest. They're everywhere. On the top here, Charah. On the top side, bro, there's so much. Go back from collecting bear corn. We're gonna beat the rain now. We hadn't had rain here like a month and a half, so we're welcoming this rain. Yeah. Tight it with your hand. All the way in. And this is natural. Alright. Hold on, let me grab the 13 here. Alright. See, if Charah could do it, make sure it's on tight, bro. It's on loose. Change your socket. Don't be dipping that shit in the oil, bro. Turn the thing. Turn that knob. The other one right there. Quick, the rain's coming, bro. We got 5 minutes. Turn it back that way.
Oh, this way?
Yes. Now tighten it, quick. Give me. Damn this.
This girl, bro.
Bro, I told you have 5 minutes for the freaking rain come. See? Pull it down a little. That's it, that's it. A little bit more. That's it, that's it. We don't want it too tight because then it'll be freaking hard to get out next time. Anyway. So that's that. Alright, let's change the filter stuff now. So that's the filter. See what happens in there. Don't lose anything. Alright? What brand is that? Is that the right brand? I mean, that's what that guy gave us, right?
Pronto.
P0522. Hopefully that's right. Cause we
What's
told
the
him
shit for?
that's the O-ring. Prevent it from the leaking.
Do you need it?
Yeah, of course we need it. Take it out. Lay it over here. Lay it here. Alright. Take out the O-rings. See this? You have
You want?
hold this for a second. No. Hold on. Pause. Okay, take the O-ring off. Push it in. Put it down there. Right there. Try not to damage it. Just for some weird reason we might need it. Come on, bro. Watch it out. God, this is your first time?
No.
Yes, it is actually. Come on, bro. Get your finger in here now. Right there.
How do you get it, your butt face?
You damaged the ring. Hopefully we don't need it, bro.
I'll damage your face. How about that?
Hopefully we don't need this freaking ring.
Oh, fuck you.
Fresh.
Get the one in front now. Fuck you.
Get that one out completely. This one. Alright. Now take the filter out. This thing. Pull it out. Twist it off. Let's make sure you remember which side goes into where. Here. See the label here? So we want to make sure the label's on top, right? Actually, there's one on the bottom too. That freaking helps a lot.
Does it matter?
Maybe it doesn't. Let's see. Alright. Get the new one over here.
It's so freaking clean.
Watch out, don't get you. So let's see the label. Well, this one only has one label on this side. So let's go this way. Push it in. Turn it. Twist it.
That?
Yeah.
Now we need the rings.
Yeah, put the rings on.
Another one.
Open up and get the new rings. Don't drop those rings. Come on. Just put them down. Don't be mixing them either. Put the big rings in. You could rub the oil on it to make it a bit easier. Come on. Make sure it snugs in there, right? See that, guys? If Charah could do this, you could do it. Is it in?
Blush? Yeah.
Okay. Now, put next one in. Leave the little one out. I think the little tiny one is for
Which size is this one?
yeah. They're both the same size. Or those two ones anyway. Well, not too, bro. Not too hard. You don't want to stretch that ring, bro. Yeah, the rain's coming. Finally, after 2 months. Keep going. It's got to go down to the next level.
I mean, if it's there.
Hold on. Right. Slide that all the way down, right over. Yeah. Go down to the next layer.
Bruh.
Don't pinch it with your nail. Whatever you do, try not to pinch it, because you don't want to damage it. We got to get it down. Hold this. Let go. Right. That's okay. Make sure it don't damage. Okay, that's perfect. See, I just got enough. Using that, you saw that? Boom,
Yeah.
snap right in. So the ring's not damaged, so it's going right in the slot. This one is in the groove. It's important if you don't get these rings in correctly. Oh, shit, rain's coming, rain's coming. Just give this a little wipe down to make sure there's no dust or anything on there, right? But you don't want any piece of stuff there that's plugged in. Okay. So give me. Alright, go ahead, put it back on. Inside there. Actually, hold on, there's still oil in there. So what we could do here is,
Do we have to put the new oil in?
yeah, but that goes in that thing over here.
Starts to rain, bud.
Bro, it's raining. Alright. We don't want water in there, that's for sure. Cover that up. Turn it in. Freaking rain. Of all the damn time to rain, it rains here. Now. Really?
Second?
Tighter.
Okay, whatever.
Alright, so. Pour. Oh, the cap. You should have taken the cap out. Alright, keep pouring. Twist it this way. Was that the 7th bottle?
Yeah.
Alright, we need one more. So you want to make sure that there's no leak or anything, right? So it looks cool. Nothing's leaking back. Alright, go ahead. That's the, what bottle is that? Number 8?
42.
Come on.
48.
Yeah, that's your 8th bottle.
Yeah. There's one in here.
It's supposed to be 8.5 anyway. So now we're gonna.
What do you think?
Let it drip. Fucking rain. Perfect timing, stupid rain. Okay, that's good. Close the cap. We're gonna reuse that bottle to throw away the old oil. And we could return those oil at like the gas station. Take that out, shake it, put it over here. Make sure you drip it on there, on the cloth. Just lay it on the cloth. Close the cap. Just leave it right there. Just leave it right there. Watch your shirt though, it's gonna get dirty, bro. Close the cap. See this, guys? If Charah could do it, you could do it. Make sure it's tight, bro. Pour up the dipstick real quick. See this ring here?
Mm-hmm.
They gave us a replacement. Where is it? Where's that ring replacement? Get that down there. Bring it up here. See that ring? That's for the oil cap, but we don't really need it. I don't think we're leaking any oil from the oil cap anyway. Clean that up. Clean that ring up real quick. Nice and smooth. It's okay, right? How come they gave us another ring? That's weird. What is it? What's this? No, but it doesn't fit any of the size that we have. That's interesting. Push that down. Alright, that's good. Get the key and start the car. Alright, start the car. Make sure, check everything's in place. Okay, come. Charah. Always want to check the visual, right? Make sure there's nothing coming out. Nice and tight. I snug that tightly. Down there. Pour out the pan. Pour the pan out a little. The pan, the oil pan. Pour it out. Alright, that's good. Rain's coming down again. Right, so that was pretty simple. We're gonna check once the car runs for like another minute or two. We're gonna check the dipstick car. So make sure that you have all your tools accounted for all the tools that you use, right? So you don't want to leave that stuff in the hood. That's very important. All right, Charah, let's turn off the car. We're gonna check the dipstick. Come. Oh, don't take your glove off. All right, just leave that one up. Come, pull up the dipstick. Let's check. Use this, bro. Put it down. I don't know why you took your glove off. Now your hand's gonna be dirty. Come on.
What?
Pour it up. Pour it up. You want to put it here so you don't get wet, dirty. Yes. Pour it up. You want to see the measurement, bro? Come on.
Oh, I see.
Yes, that's called dipstick. Okay, this girl's new. If she could do it, guys, you could do it.
Shut up.
Alright, go back in. Put it back in.
Okay.
Shouldn't have taken your gloves off, genius.
I had to start the car, right?
Oh, good. Well, she's smart. Actually, she did have to start the car. Alright. Is it level?
No, not really.
And the oil's not dirty, so you can't really see it. Yeah, the oil is brand new. But you know what we could do? I think we might have to add another half of a bottle. We'll see. Let's check it again. Alright, so get the cap, put the cap back on. So let me see. So the cap, see these two pieces, right? They clip right into here, so just push it into there. Good. Push it in. Okay, yeah, it's like tight now. Okay, so now we're gonna put the guard on the bottom on. The guard back on. So you see it, Ja? Just hand tie it first. Now that screw is on top, on the top portion right there. Yeah, right there, yeah. Right where your finger is. No. Right there, yeah. Somewhere like that. See it?
Yeah.
Make sure shit doesn't get me on. Okay, so I think the last one goes in the middle. So this part's all notched in. Whoever took this out initially, they didn't put it back the right way. Here. There should be one in the center somewhere. Right here. Yeah, right there. You good?
Yeah.
I get that Joe. Make sure, let me see. Gotta make sure you have to turn it the correct way. That's tightening. Oh shit, I'm a genius. That looks like it's tightening, right? Find out. This is an awkward position, people. Yeah, it's tightening. Okay. Do the same to yours, Cha. Make sure shit doesn't get in your eyes, bro. You don't have a shield like me. A glass, that is. That's it, don't be afraid. Oh, keep it flush, bro. Make sure the screw's in, right?
Yeah.
Alright, go ahead. It's tight. Okay, that's good. You can pull it to make it tighter. Pull it towards you. Yeah, there you go. Because that thing's kind of weak. Alright, give me. Let me do this side now.
Wait, mine's like not in.
It's not tight? See? Yeah. Do that side now on yours.
What if it's not in evenly?
Whoa. What's not in evenly?
I don't know.
The screw?
I'm just saying.
Then you screwed. Then you're screwed. That's why you hand tighten it first. Then you hand tighten it.
Yeah.
So you tell me you hand tied it and not evenly. Don't mess with that screw. I'll take a look at it later. Go through that one. Make sure the screw is straight in. The one up top there, bro.
Doesn't look straight in.
Yes. I didn't like that part where you said it's not in evenly. That's why we hand tighten it first. You have to feel it. You're not forcing the damn thing in.
It is. Wait, is this on the wrong size? Because this one's bigger.
It's the same size, bro. They're all 10 millimeter.
There's a pigeon. This. I see.
That's good. Make it a little bit tighter. There's freaking lot of movement here. You could turn it, pull it towards you. Pull it towards you, yeah. Manually, okay, that's good. Now, what about the center one? Make sure you're going in flush. Straight, right? Go ahead. Make it tight. You weak? Bro, you can't let it move. You gotta be strong, man. You gotta be like use some power. Pull it. Just pull it manually. Thank you. Wow. You're like a man.
What about this one?
Is that the side you screwed up?
I didn't screw it up yet.
Pull it manually then. It's good? Not too much. Alright, do it again. Pull it one more time. Make it nice and snug. Wow, that's weird. Keep going. You're not breaking the screw, right? You still see it going in?
Yeah.
You could snap that screw. The hell?
I give up.
What do you mean? Press the button and use the button then, bro. Press the button. You have to hold it tight, Charlie. You can't just press it. Alright, do it manually, bro. You're giving me a heart attack.
I think it's good enough. Yeah, frick you.
We funneled the old bottle back into the bottle here, so to return that to like the gas stations collect these, so that's why you want to discard these. These are toxic, so you don't want to just put this in your garbage can. You want to put this, give it back to the some gas station. They collect the oils in some auto places, so make sure you discard this at those locations.